that sweet baby nose. You're a pretty baby in those new baby clothes. I was thinking maybe now let's just suppose we put some baby booties on those cute baby toes. I love the way they wiggle when you giggle and goo. I'll tickle them a little coochie coochie coo. You jiggle and you wriggle with your blankie too. My pumpkin pumpernickel playing peekaboo. Now don't you fuss and don't you fidget when it's time for bed. You know the Sandman's waiting for his favorite sleepyhead. I wonder when you slumber, do you dream of me? Or are you swimming with the fishies in the deep blue sea? There's simply nothing better than this baby of mine, whose eyes are like the heavens when they twinkle and shine. We sent a